Hey, what's up, YouTube? We're going to take a look at another case for the iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this case is made by Schnail. It's the iPulse series case. It's the wallet case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. And you can get this from Amazon. This is the Schnail iPulse series compatible with iPhone 12 Pro Max, genuine leather flip case, card holder, full grain leather, folio cover. This is the brown version. All right, $34.99. Hopefully it's a good looking case and it feels good in the hand. We're gonna go ahead and check it out. I'll put the link in the description for you want to get it. Okay, here's the box that comes in. Formerly iPulse, now new Schnail. All right, got the Schnail on the front. Not much on the back, but the box is a nice looking box. Feels good in the hand. Got a little bit of pattern in there, so did a good job with that. It's got it wrapped up in this little pouch right here. Let's pull this out. Let's get this out to the side. All right, now this is the case. Now it feels good now, and it's nice and soft leather. It's got this kind of book end on the back that's like a rib, makes it feel like a real book. It's pretty neat how they did that. Here's a camera cutout right there, stitching right here in the back. The leather feels good, and I think this will wear really well over time. Here's the opening part right here. You got your place for your ID card, a couple more cards there, and you can put some bills in there as well. All right, let's pull this plastic out. Pull this foam out. Now you got a TPU case inside, as you can see. Nice shiny case. So you got an opening for the mute switch right there, your volume down rocker right there, and you got your power button right there. All right. And then you got your opening for your charging port, your grills right here in the bottom. And you can stand this up in a kickstand form. So it's a little bit, it's not worn yet, but you can stand this up. We put the phone in and check that out. All right, but it's a nice looking case and it feels good in the hand. Let's go ahead and get the device and put it inside and see what it looks like. Okay, here's the device. Let's go ahead and put it inside, see what it looks like. Let's slide it in here. So that's got a nice snug fit and it goes all around the device and covers the device pretty well. Let's see, yeah, I didn't quite have that on all the way there. Okay. Make sure you pay attention to that, but the TPU fits well. That's going to give some added protection right there. But this is magnetic, so it's going to stay closed. It doesn't open up like flap open, so that's pretty cool right there. Nice little magnet on that right there. You can talk on this because you got those opening right there with the case closed. Camera, as you can see, is open, but it's well protected. So when you take pictures, you're gonna need to hold it like this because you can't fold it back because you're gonna cover that up. So keep that in mind. And you got your little rib area right here. That's nice look right there on the back. Let's check out the stand and see how that works with the phone in. So when you got the phone in it, you know, that'll wear over time, but you can stand up and watch movies or YouTube or whatever, different angles as well. So that's pretty cool. You can do that as well. Now you can fold this back and use it. Just got this big rib area here. That's kind of awkward, but you gotta be careful with that. But otherwise, it's a feels good in the hand. Nice case, not too much bulk. Right, nice executive look. If you want to go to a meeting and stuff like that, you got your iPhone with you. You put it in this, you're gonna look nice and professional. All right, let's check out wireless charge and see how that works. Okay, let's put it on the charger. Let's see what happens. Let's open it up and see if it'll get any charge. So it did pick up a charge right there. Depends on where you set it at. This iPhone 12 Pro Max charging, wireless charging, has got some little bit of issues. But I did pick it up, you know, when I put it on the device. So see, it's not charging now because I moved it, but you got to set it just right, you know, to get the charging to go on this iPhone. So it will charge. You just got to make sure you got it in the right spot. All right, let's see what happens when you stand it up. I know it's not going to charge when you stand it up if it didn't charge. Barely charged when it was sitting up.
Sorry, I couldn't quite hear you.
Yeah, didn't ask for Siri. But this is not charging when it's sitting down. Let's see what happens when you set it down like that. So yeah, the charging is a little bit finicky with this case, although it will pick up a charge. And again, it could be this right here, but I know this iPhone doesn't always charge well, depending on what kind of charger you got. So it picked it up just now, you see. So we'll pick it up, but you got to play around with it to get it in the right spot. Okay, so that was a quick look at the iPulse Schnail wallet case, leather wallet case, genuine leather for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. All right, pretty good case, nice and professional looking. You can put some bills in there, some cards, and it does get wireless charge as well. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Now, if you got any questions, hit me in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ.